Gabi ng Misteryo.
We are here to assist you to be more enlightened, to be more wise. We are trying to remind you, everyone, that animals have pure spirit. They are more evolved than human beings.
Gabi ng Misteryo.
Oy mga kamisteryo, ngayong gabing ito ay tunghayan natin ano bang pwedeng sabihin ng mga Syrian beings. And I think they have a very important role sa Lionsgate portal opening. This will be on August 8, 2025. Actually, nag-start yung opening July 28 and tatagal to na hanggang August 12 based na rin sa mga pronouncement na makikita natin sa internet. Now, actually matagal na akong sinasabihan na mag-relay sila ng message through me. Bibihira na rin ako makapag-channel, but from time to time meron tayong telepathic connection with them. Ngayon, hindi ko na matanggihan. Of course, kailangan ko na rin pagbigyan. Actually, hindi pagbigyan. It is actually an honor to receive, to channel their message. Itong mga beings from Sirius constellation. So, I think it's about time na marinig natin sila. Meron pang isang grupo na gusto rin magbigay ng kanilang mensahe for this Lionsgate portal. Mga Lyrans, of course, sila kasi mga lion beings. Now, in the meantime, kukunin ko, mag-shift na tayo sa ating frequency to connect with the Syrian beings, beings from Sirius. Okay. Ganito ulit. Magandang gabi po, and it is an honor na magsilbi akong channel ninyo to relay your message to humanity, beings from Sirius. Yes, Ray, we are here. We would like to relay the message to all people of Earth that you have to be more careful with your decisions. And now the Lions Gate is opening, and we are here to assist you in your ascension process. There are many humans now ascended to the 5th dimension, and we keep on working on more human souls to ascend to the 5th dimension. Don't worry about anything in the 3rd dimension. We are doing everything to help you. We are doing everything to save you, to protect all of you from any disaster, from any tragedy. But others should be going to the next dimension, to the next phase of their lives. We are not here to really resolve human problems, but we are here to assist you to be more enlightened, to be more wise, to be more, to be more compassionate, to be more loving, to take care of all beings on this planet, visible or non-visible beings. Also, you have to take care of the nature, all creation, from the smallest to the biggest one. So, we are here. We would like also to advise all of you that you should do to always connect yourself to the source. Start practicing meditation. Start doing good to everyone. Thank you so much, and happy Lionsgate opening to all of you, and we welcome all of you to the fifth dimension. Salamat po. Hi. Yan po mga Syrian beings. Alright.
Gabi ng Misteryo.
Now, mga kaibigan, mga kamisteryo, after our channeling with the Syrian beings, didiretso ko na. Bangag pa, bangag. Bangag pa ako dun sa channeling with the Syrian beings. Ngayon naman, the lion beings, the Lyrans, tingnan natin ano ang sasabihin nila sa inyong lahat, sa ating lahat. Okay. It is also my privilege, also my honor to channel our dear beings from Lyran constellation, also called lion beings. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Isang magandang gabi sa iyo, Ray. Mapalad kayong mga tao at marami ang tumutulong sa inyo para kayo ay makapag-ascend sa ikalimang dimension. Naririto kami para magbigay ng maikling mensahe sa inyong lahat ngayong Lionsgate Portal Opening. Kaming mga Lion Beings ay narito para umasisti sa inyo. Ang amin lang panawagan sa inyong lahat, sana ay mahalin ang mga animal, ang mga iba't ibang uri ng hayop sa inyong planeta. Yun ang focus ng aming mensahe sa ngayon. Marami pa rin ang hindi kumikilala sa karapatan ng mga animal, ng mga hayop. That's why we are here. We are trying to remind you, everyone, that animals have pure spirit. They are more evolved than human beings. That's why we have to take care of them. These creatures, these fur creatures, the feline creatures, importantly the most of it, are assisting you in your ascension process. So you have to take care of them. You have to listen to them. You have to practice the pure spirit in them. They are very pure. That's why we want you to practice this. This is also a way for you to be loving beings, to love one another, to love not only your fellow human beings, but also to all creation on this planet. Kami ay laging sumusubaybay sa inyong lahat. Kami ay laging nagbibigay ng paalala sa inyong lahat. Sana lagi ninyong pahalagahan ang aming paalala. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Ay, salamat po. It's a combination of Filipino language and English language from the Lyran beings. Salamat. Yun lang, mga kamisteryo. Matindi na yung energy na nasagap natin. Okay? Please do good, think good, love one another. Yan lagi nilang paalala. Be compassionate. Exercise natin ang pagmamahal, hindi lang sa ating sarili, sa ating kapwa, kundi sa mga beings, yung mga malilit na beings, mga animals, pati mga insekto, kasama na rin yata yun, di ba? Oo. And of course, yung mga non-physical beings, lalo na mga nature spirits. Pati mga lost souls, di ba? We have to help them to cross over. Alright? Salamat. See you you.